Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to cut right through all that marketing chaos. If you're sick and tired of that tangled web of different apps, different spreadsheets, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to see how to create these beautifully coordinated multi-channel campaigns that actually work. Does this look a little too familiar, right? You're sending emails from one tool, you've got SMS messages going out from another app, you're trying to handle WhatsApp somewhere else, and oh yeah, maybe you're tracking phone calls on a spreadsheet. It's a mess. It's totally disconnected, it's inefficient, and you have no real way of seeing what's actually moving the needle.
Well, guess what? That frustration ends right now. We're going to walk through how you can build a truly unified marketing journey where you control everything, your email, your SMS, your WhatsApp, all from one single screen, all by using HelloCRM Campaigns.
Okay, so let's just talk about this mess for a second. When you're using all these separate tools, your brand's voice gets all inconsistent, right? Your customer data is scattered to the winds, and honestly, just trying to track the performance of one single campaign can be a complete nightmare. This is what we call the old way, a separate tool, a separate window for everything. And what's the result? Well, your data's fractured, there's no single source of truth, and you're just wasting time, and probably a lot of money, jumping between tabs and paying for overlapping tools. Now let's totally flip the script. Just imagine one central command center, a single hub for all of your customer outreach. That's exactly what HelloCRM is, your unified campaign hub. And this, right here, is what true omni-channel communication looks like. It's all about a centralized approach that brings everything together: SMS, WhatsApp, email, even voice. And the goal is super simple. Create a seamless, consistent, and really impactful experience for your customers, no matter how they talk to you.
And look, this isn't just some idea, it's a proven solution. We're talking over 500 businesses around the world that already trust HelloCRM to bring all their marketing together, to streamline how they work, and to drive some serious growth.
Okay, enough talk. Let's dive in and see just how ridiculously simple this is. We're going to build your very first campaign, step by step, right here, right now. So, the whole thing really just breaks down into 5 easy steps. You pick your channel, you select your audience, you personalize the message, you schedule it, and then, the best part, you track how it performs. Let's walk through each one. First things first, you just decide how you want to reach your customers. Is it a big promotional email, a quick SMS alert, a WhatsApp notification, or maybe even an automated voice message? You just pick your channel from this really clear, simple menu. All right, next up, who's this message for? Instead of messing around with uploading clunky spreadsheets, you just select from your predefined contact groups that are already inside the CRM. This means you can target super specific segments, like your new leads or VIP customers, with literally just a click. Now let's make it personal. Because let's be real, nobody likes getting a generic marketing blast. With these simple placeholders, you can easily pull in any information you have, first name, company, you name it, to make every single message feel like it was written just for them. So you've got your message, you've got your audience. Now, when should it go out? You can blast it out immediately with Send Now, or you can schedule it for the absolute perfect time to get the most engagement. And here's a really cool touch. The system automatically checks if you have enough credits before it lets you schedule, so you never have to worry about sending errors. And here we are, the crucial final step. Once your campaign is out there, you are not flying blind. You can see your delivery rates, how many people opened it, who clicked, and it's all updating in real time on one dashboard. This is how you really learn what's connecting with your audience. And here's a little taste of what that feedback looks like. No more guessing games. You get these simple visual analytics, like this bar chart, showing you exactly what's hitting the mark, so you can do more of what works and tweak what doesn't. Okay, time for a pro tip. Let's look at how we can turn these campaigns from a simple tool into a smart, automated engine that basically works for you around the clock. Let's just compare the old way with the new way. Static lists, they're a pain. You have to manually upload them and they're out of date almost immediately. But HelloCRM's dynamic groups, they're always fresh. They automatically update based on rules you set, creating these living, breathing segments of your audience. So here's how it works. You just set the rules. For example, you could say, add anyone who clicks a link in my last email to the engaged leads group. Then, as your contacts actually do things, they're automatically moved in or out of these groups. Your audiences literally segment themselves, which means your campaigns are always hitting the right people at the right time. And hey, the results really do speak for themselves. I mean, listen to David Arnold. It's simple, powerful, and it's helped us close deals faster than ever. That's what happens when you have a truly unified, intelligent system on your side. So there you have it. We've seen how to create, personalize, and even automate these super powerful multi-channel campaigns. This gives you an incredible engine for building relationships. But you know, every engine needs fuel.
And that's the next logical piece of this whole puzzle, right? To keep these awesome dynamic groups and automated campaigns humming along, you need a steady, reliable stream of new leads coming into your CRM. Which, of course, brings us to your next step. In the very next explainer, we're going to dig into HelloCRM forms and show you how you can use them to capture the very leads that will fuel the amazing campaigns you just learned how to build. Trust me, you are not going to want to miss it.